Welcome to Ham Shack Reviews. My name is Vince, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on using the V-Band to learn CW or to practice your CW. This is a program from Ham Radio Solutions, and it also has a feature that lets you practice with other people. Let's hop over to the computer and I'll show it to you. Okay, here it is. You got channels, you got the channel you're using, you got settings. You got a store that lets you buy an interface to use your paddle. Then you got a support and an about tab. We're going to start with settings. And up here is where you're going to put in your call sign and name so it shows up when you're using it. Okay, you're going to set your iambic here. Then you're going to set your volume. You can set your key speed. You actually have your tone you can set. And the decode length is just how many characters are sent. So I don't usually send more than 140, 145, so I just have it right there. And the latency is recommended at 750. That's recommended by Ham Radio Solutions, so I left it there. And then down here you have some choices if you want to click them. And then you go back here to channels and you click on one, and there you see the name and call sign you put in. Down here should be the text you're sending. Click there. Now what you do on your keyboard is you use two brackets, the two bracket keys. You'll actually see the brackets down here. They look like a box, but it's the left and the right bracket. It's a little harder doing with the keyboard than it is with the key. Sending it with the keyboard is going to take some practice because it's like a split second if you hold the key down too long. Like with a paddle, but it seems more sensitive with the keyboard. Now, if you want to use a paddle, you can go up here to store, and you can order this interface. No, right here, yeah. The price is $25 plus shipping, which is $5, brings you to a total of $30. And you get that, and you get a USB wire that plugs into your computer, and then you can plug your paddle right into here, and you can send normally. Now, there's another feature about this, which is pretty neat. And you can practice your QSOs with the QSO Bot by enabling QSO Bot checkbox. Once the checkboxes, then you got exchanges, and that gives you that. This interface is designed for either straight keys or paddles. It will not work correctly with a bug. Now, if you have any problems, you got a support tab. And then you also got about if you're interested in reading about it. Now, if you want to go up here to Ham Radio Solutions, they have some other stuff, and they have this CW hotline, which is an iambic key and straight key oscillator that can remote a CW station or create a private practice channel over the internet. So let's click on that. You get either a straight key or a paddle, but you will need one. It says 2 units required. You will need one on each end, you and your buddy, and you can practice over the internet. I believe you can also do that directly over Vband, but Vband has latency. Using two of these takes out the latency issue. Plus, it'll have a LED indicator or link status. And they make some pretty neat stuff. They also have a visual Morse, which if you send in the box, and then you hit send, you type in the box, and you hit send, and you can see it. That's a good way. If you have a hearing impairment, you can still learn CW. You can see the D and the E, W2KU. And that's also a neat feature, something that Ham Radio Solutions has. If you want to check these out for free, Google Ham Radio Solutions or Google Vband, and add CW to it, because Vband will take you to some kind of car part. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you can use it. Check it out. It's definitely a neat program. And Ham Radio Solutions are making things happen. Thank you for checking out my video. Remember, subscribe, ding that bell. 73s.